In this video, we will provide a comprehensive overview of the partner program. To get started, select your preferred membership plan. Each plan offers different levels of incentives, kits, and access to support, allowing you to choose the option that best fits your needs. Next, complete the registration form by providing the required information. Please ensure that you upload a valid government-issued ID as part of the verification process. Once your registration and monthly subscription payment are complete, you will receive an email prompting you to verify your account. After verification, you will be asked to create a password. You can then log in using your email, password, and the unique partner's code sent to you via email. Upon logging in for the first time, you will be required to complete the partner tutorial videos. These videos cover the essential knowledge needed to navigate, understand, and effectively use the platform. After completing the tutorials, you will take a short 15-question assessment test designed to confirm your understanding of the basics of being a web immigration partner. Congratulations! Upon successfully passing the assessment, you will receive your official partner certificate. This certifies you as an authorized representative of web immigration. We encourage you to always uphold professionalism and integrity in your work. Welcome to the Web Immigration Partner Dashboard. Here you will have access to your unique promo URL, as well as tools to track your revenue, clients, kits, and subscription details. In the DIY Kit section, you can browse and access all available kits for your clients. Your membership level determines the discounts applied, and transactions are designed to be quick and seamless. That's it! You are now ready to start your new business as a web immigration partner. Good luck!